In October 2008, as the world grappled with the fallout of a financial crisis, trust in banks and governments was crumbling. Amid this chaos, an anonymous figure known as Satoshi Nakamoto unveiled a revolutionary idea: Bitcoin. Could a digital currency, free from central authority, offer a new way to think about money? What if wealth could move globally without banks, fees, or borders? Presented in a simple white paper, Bitcoin wasn't just a technological innovation. It was a challenge to the status quo. How did this obscure concept grow into a global phenomenon? And why is it now called digital gold? Bitcoin is more than a digital currency. It's a revolutionary innovation powered by blockchain, a decentralized, immutable ledger. Unlike traditional systems reliant on centralized institutions, Bitcoin's blockchain is maintained by a global network of computers, ensuring transparency, security, and resistance to manipulation. Miners verify transactions by solving complex problems, ensuring accuracy and trust. Once validated, transactions are permanently recorded, making fraud nearly impossible. One of Bitcoin's most revolutionary features is its finite supply. Unlike fiat currencies, which governments can print at will, Bitcoin is capped at 21 million coins. This scarcity is unique. Even with gold, which would come closest to this scarcity, the scarcity is not exactly quantifiable as new and undiscovered gold deposits are still being found. There is also an infinite amount of gold to be mined in outer space. Bitcoin's scarcity, combined with its decentralized nature, makes it immune to the inflationary pressures that plague traditional currencies. Every 4 years, an event called the halving reduces the number of new Bitcoins awarded to miners, further reinforcing its limited supply and increasing its rarity over time. The comparison between Bitcoin and gold extends beyond scarcity. Both assets serve as hedges against economic uncertainty and have a history of retaining value during periods of instability. However, Bitcoin offers unique advantages in the digital age. Unlike gold, Bitcoin is easily divisible, portable, and accessible globally, with nothing more than an internet connection. This accessibility has made it particularly valuable in regions where traditional financial systems are unreliable or inaccessible. For millions of people, Bitcoin represents financial freedom and inclusion, a lifeline in a world where many are excluded from banking services. Bitcoin's rise to prominence has been nothing short of extraordinary. Initially dismissed as a niche interest for tech enthusiasts, it has since become a global asset class, attracting institutional investors, corporations, and even governments. Companies like Tesla and MicroStrategy have added Bitcoin to their balance sheets, citing its potential as a store of value and a hedge against inflation. Meanwhile, countries like El Salvador have gone so far as to adopt Bitcoin as legal tender, marking a significant milestone in its journey toward mainstream acceptance. More major countries will join in, adding Bitcoin to their strategic reserves. The USA, Russia, and China are the biggest examples. These developments signal a growing recognition of Bitcoin's transformative potential. Despite its meteoric rise, Bitcoin has not been without challenges. Its volatility is a frequent point of criticism, with prices often experiencing dramatic swings over short periods. This unpredictability has led skeptics to question its suitability as a stable store of value or a practical currency for daily transactions. Additionally, Bitcoin has faced regulatory scrutiny from governments around the world. Some view it as a threat to traditional financial systems and have sought to impose restrictions, citing concerns over money laundering, tax evasion, and illicit activities. The lack of consistent regulation creates uncertainty, even as Bitcoin continues to gain traction. Another contentious issue is Bitcoin's environmental impact. The energy-intensive process of mining requires vast amounts of electricity, much of which is derived from non-renewable sources. Critics argue that Bitcoin's carbon footprint is incompatible with global efforts to combat climate change. Proponents, however, counter that the industry is increasingly adopting renewable energy and exploring innovative solutions to reduce its environmental impact. Efforts such as transitioning to greener mining practices and utilizing stranded energy resources demonstrate a commitment to sustainability, though challenges remain. Despite these obstacles, Bitcoin's resilience and adaptability have been remarkable. It has weathered numerous crises, from regulatory crackdowns to technological challenges. emerging stronger each time. Its continued growth and evolution suggest that it is more than just a passing trend. Bitcoin has not only redefined the concept of money, but has also inspired a wave of innovation across industries. Blockchain technology, the backbone of Bitcoin, is now being used in applications ranging from supply chain management to secure voting systems, highlighting its versatility and potential. Bitcoin's significance lies not only in its technological innovation, but also in its philosophical implications. It represents a shift toward decentralization, challenging the traditional power dynamics of finance. By removing the need for intermediaries, Bitcoin empowers individuals to take control of their wealth, free from the influence of banks and governments. This democratization of finance resonates with a growing number of people who see Bitcoin as a tool for financial sovereignty and freedom. The future of Bitcoin remains a topic of intense debate and speculation. While no one can predict its trajectory with certainty, the trends are encouraging. As awareness grows and technology advances, Bitcoin is becoming more accessible and user-friendly. Innovations like the Lightning Network promise faster and cheaper transactions, addressing some of the limitations of the original Bitcoin network. Meanwhile, ongoing efforts to address its environmental impact are laying the groundwork for a more sustainable future. Bitcoin is more than just a digital currency. It is a movement that challenges the status quo and redefines what money can be. Its journey from an obscure white paper to a global phenomenon has been nothing short of revolutionary. While challenges remain, Bitcoin's potential to transform the world of finance and beyond is undeniable. Whether as an investment, a technological innovation, or a symbol of financial freedom, Bitcoin has left an indelible mark on the world. Its story is far from over, and its role in shaping the future of money is one that will continue to unfold for generations to come. Bitcoin's rise transcends its role as a currency or store of value, igniting a global conversation about the nature of money and challenging assumptions about trust, centralization, and value. Bitcoin replaces institutional trust with mathematical trust, enabling direct transactions without intermediaries. Its decentralized nature empowers individuals in unstable economies, offering a way to preserve wealth and bypass government restrictions. For many, Bitcoin symbolizes financial independence and resistance, reshaping financial systems in regions plagued by hyperinflation or authoritarian control. Bitcoin's success has inspired thousands of cryptocurrencies, each exploring blockchain's potential. Bitcoin remains the flagship digital currency, dominating the market and epitomizing the cryptocurrency movement. As its mainstream acceptance grows, financial institutions are embracing Bitcoin, offering services like cryptocurrency accounts, Bitcoin investment funds, and payment integration. This institutional adoption not only legitimizes Bitcoin, but accelerates its integration into everyday life. As both a financial innovation and a social force, Bitcoin is reshaping the global financial landscape, challenging the status quo and paving the way for a decentralized financial future. Bitcoin's journey exemplifies innovation and resilience. Despite skepticism, criticism, and challenges, it thrives and evolves, proving that disruptive technologies often face resistance before gaining acceptance. Bitcoin is more than a new form of money. It challenges the status quo, inspires innovation, and empowers individuals to control their financial futures. The world is still in the early stages of understanding Bitcoin. As technology advances and adoption grows, its potential will only increase. Whether as a store of value, medium of exchange, or tool for financial freedom, Bitcoin is reshaping money's future in ways unimaginable a decade ago. Its impact is already significant, and its influence will expand as more people embrace its transformative power. Bitcoin's journey from an obscure idea to a global phenomenon is nothing short of revolutionary. It challenges everything we thought we knew about money, trust, and control, offering a glimpse into a future where financial power is decentralized and accessible to all. Will Bitcoin become the foundation of a new global economy, or is it just the first step in an even greater evolution? How will its story shape the next decade? If you like this video and don't want to miss any more exciting videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.